Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to activate touch vibration on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the settings, and now in the settings scroll it down a little and you will see the sound and vibration option. Tap on it. Now you just have to scroll it down again until you'll find here the vibrations and haptics option. You just have to tap and click it. If you want to activate the touch vibration option, here we'll find the touch feedback. Now you just have to tap at the button beside it. So if this an option is already activated, when we touch at the screen there are a little vibration here guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.